Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be installing the Custom Dynamics Pro Beam tail light on the 22 Lowrider ST. So this is an adapter that is going to help this tail light get hooked up. This is something new that is on the 22 models that Custom Dynamics had to custom create this adapter for their customers so that this tail light will be compatible. And that's exactly what we're going to be doing. We're going to be installing that today. I'm going to be walking you through the setup process. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward, but we're going to jump in and we're going to do this together, so stick around. Well, as you can see, I've already installed the Custom Dynamics Pro Beam turn signals for the front and rear of the motorcycle. I also installed the Custom Dynamics Triple Play so I could get those customized flashing patterns. Let's keep it simple. All you need for this project is a Phillips head screwdriver. We're going to start by removing the stock taillight and taking out the two Phillips head screws. You want to hang on to those because you're going to need them for the new taillight that you're about to install. Next, you want to unplug the amp connector from the terminal block in the taillight base. Now remove the white paper from the back of the gasket and simply apply it to the new Pro Beam taillight. Now take your adapter from Custom Dynamics, and to keep it simple, just plug in white to white and you will be all set. Alright, we are just about done here. Now take that tail light, be sure to plug it into the housing that's on the back of the motorcycle. I tried to do a little bit of cable management here and get those wires tucked in and out of the way as much as possible. Using the two screws from the old tail light, go ahead and secure the tail light to the back of the bike. Next up, check operation, make sure you've got your lights, make sure the brake's flashing, and you are all done. Well, that's really it, ladies and gentlemen. A super easy install. I mean, it's one of those things, if I can do it, anybody can do it, and it really does add such a fantastic safety feature to the motorcycle on that tail light. Also remember, if you are installing this on a 22 Lowrider ST, you will need that adapter from Custom Dynamics. All the links will be in the description below. If you guys would, please like and subscribe. I hope you have an excellent day, and we'll talk to you again soon.